Most wholesalers still punch leads manually. The ones closing 40% more deals aren't. The difference isn't luck, it's platform choice. REsimpli, InvestorFuse, and PropStream all claim to close more deals. Only one has the data to back it up. REsimpli holds a perfect 5.0-star Trustpilot rating across 598 verified reviews. That's the highest-rated CRM in the wholesaling space. InvestorFuse specializes in lead conversion and nurturing. PropStream merged with Batch Leads in July 2025, combining their databases into one platform covering 160 million properties nationwide. But raw feature lists don't close deals. Speed does. SMS response rates hit 45% compared to email 6%. That single metric, platform choice, can mean the difference between closing 3 deals a month and closing 5. This video compares which software actually moves the needle on your deal count. Wholesaling software is the bridge between raw lead data and closed deals. It captures motivated seller leads, scores them by distress probability, automates outreach, and tracks the entire pipeline from first contact to closing. The category exploded in 2026 because 87% of brokerages and agents now actively use real estate AI tools daily. Wholesalers are lagging behind. If you're still using spreadsheets or a basic CRM, you're competing against operators running AI-powered workflows. The global real estate CRM market, valued at $5.31 billion in 2026, is projected to reach $14.97 billion by 2035 at a 12.2% compound annual growth rate. That growth signal tells you this is table stakes now, not optional. Choosing the right platform today means you're building a scalable machine. Choosing wrong means you're leaving deals on the table every single month. The software you pick determines how fast you qualify leads, how many touches you automate, and ultimately how many deals close. The core mechanism that separates winners from the middle of the pack is AI distress scoring. Here's how it works. A wholesaling platform ingests property data, tax records, mortgage history, code violations, eviction filings, divorce records, probate notices. It runs a neural network across hundreds of signals to assign each property a distress probability score. Instead of you manually reviewing 1,000 listings, the software surfaces the top 1% that match your buyer profile and likelihood to sell. Goliath Data surfaces these signals in real time across their platform. Deal qualification cycles shrink by 30 to 40% with AI distress scoring adoption, according to their 2026 research. That means what used to take you 2 weeks now takes 8 to 10 days. REsimpli built this directly into their CRM. When a lead comes in, the system automatically pulls property data, calculates distress signals, and routes the contact to your dialer with a confidence score. Top platforms reduce manual analysis time by 30 to 50% through this combination of AI lead scoring and property data aggregation. The outcome is velocity. You move from 1 offer per contact per week to 3 offers per contact per week because the machine eliminated busy work. Goliath Data runs this math on every property, which is why their users report faster deal closure and higher offer volume. Here's how to set up your platform and start closing more deals today. Step 1. Choose your lead source. PropStream pulls distressed properties from public records. InvestorFuse integrates with Zillow, tax records, and probate databases. REsimpli lets you upload CSV lists or pull live feeds. Pick one and plug it in. This takes 30 minutes. Step 2. Configure your distress filter. Most platforms ship with pre-built scoring. Set your minimum score threshold, typically 30 to 40% distress probability if you're a new operator, 20% if you have deal experience. This filters the noise. Goliath Data's scoring engine runs these filters for you automatically, saving another 2 to 3 hours per week versus manual list review. Step 3. Map your outreach sequence. SMS is primary, 45% response rate. Email follows. Phone is tier 3. Build a 7-day automated sequence. SMS day 1, email day 2, SMS day 3, phone call day 4 if no response. InvestorFuse and REsimpli both ship with templates. Customize them for your market and target buyer type. Step 4. Set up your lead routing. Assign incoming leads to your team based on geography, property type, or distress level. If you're solo, route everything to yourself with a daily digest. If you're a team, use round-robin assignment. This prevents leads from getting lost. Step 5. Run your first 100 leads through the funnel. Don't optimize yet. Just watch the data. How many respond to SMS? How many convert to offers? Where do deals drop out? Run this cohort for 21 days. Then adjust your scoring threshold, sequence timing, or outreach copy based on what you learn. A wholesaler in San Antonio started with REsimpli in March 2026. She had a manual list of 330 properties pulled from county records. Lead qualification took her 6 hours per week, reviewing each property, pulling comps, estimating repair costs, determining if the deal penciled. With REsimpli's AI distress scoring, she uploaded her list and the platform automatically scored all 330 properties overnight. It surfaced 42 properties scoring above 35% distress probability. Instead of spending 6 hours on 330 properties, she spent 2 hours validating the 42 hot leads. She started outreach on March 15th with SMS as primary channel. By March 29th, she had contacted all 42 leads and received 19 SMS responses, a 45% response rate. 7 conversations turned into offers. 1 closed by April 22nd at a $15,000 assignment fee. That single deal covered her platform cost for the entire year. By June, she'd closed 3 deals from that original cohort. Her deal velocity doubled because the software eliminated manual analysis. Cost per lead dropped from approximately $4.50 per lead under her old spreadsheet method to $1.70 per lead with REsimpli because she was contacting fewer but higher probability prospects. That margin difference compounds across 100 leads, 1,000 leads, across a year of deal flow. The rule she learned: time spent qualifying manually is deal velocity you're leaving on the table. Mistake 1. Picking software based on features instead of deal closure rate. You see 12 features listed and assume more features mean more deals. Wrong. Most platforms ship with features you'll never use. The only metric that matters is how many deals closed per operator per month. REsimpli users report more deals closed at volume than InvestorFuse users because REsimpli optimized for speed, not comprehensiveness. InvestorFuse is excellent if you need deep lead nurturing for a long sales cycle. For fast wholesaling, that's wasted complexity. Fix this. Ask the platform for their average deals closed per user per quarter. If they dodge the question, walk. Mistake 2. Running lead volume without a clear scoring threshold. You upload 5,000 properties and send SMS to all 5,000. Response rate tanks because you're contacting prospects with 0 distress signals. You burn out your contact list and kill your sender reputation. Goliath Data's research shows that platforms without AI scoring waste 30 to 40% of your outreach on unqualified leads. Fix this. Set a minimum distress score of 35% before you send anything. Start conservative. Optimize later once you have data. Mistake 3. Not measuring drop-off in your pipeline. You get leads in, you send SMS, some respond, some don't. You make offers, some accept, some counter. You never look at which stage bleeds the most deals. Most wholesalers leak 50% of conversations between SMS response and offer submission. Fix this. Track your conversion rate at each funnel stage. SMS response rate, conversation to offer rate, offer to close rate. Once you see where deals die, you can optimize that stage. Mistake 4. Staying with a platform that doesn't integrate with your existing workflow. Your dialer is CallLogic, your CRM is InvestorFuse, your accounting is Stripe. If they don't talk to each other, you're re-entering data constantly. You lose hours per week to double entry and data mismatches. Fix this. Audit your tool stack. Pick one platform that integrates with at least 80% of your existing tools. REsimpli integrates with most dialers and accounting software. PropStream integrates with batch leads. Know your stack before you commit. The rule that closes deals: speed beats volume. Pick the fastest platform, score ruthlessly, and measure every stage.